Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Eventbrite for freelance events. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Eventbrite website. Log into your Eventbrite account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Create Event button located in the top right corner. Choose the event type that suits your freelance event best, such as a workshop, seminar, or networking event. Fill in the event title, making it clear and engaging to attract attendees. Select the date and time of your event. Specify the duration by setting an end time that matches your event schedule. Next, choose the event location. If it's an online event, select the virtual option and provide the necessary details. For in-person events, fill in the venue address accurately. Now, add a detailed event description. Outline the key highlights and what attendees can expect to learn or experience. Next, assign a category to your event. This helps potential attendees find your event when searching. Set up your ticket types. Decide if you want to offer free tickets, paid tickets, or donation-based options. Provide pricing details if applicable, and set any quantity limits if needed. Now, customize your ticket registration form. Add any custom questions you want attendees to answer upon registration. After setting up tickets, focus on designing the event page. Add high-quality images and videos to make the page visually appealing. Make sure your event page matches your branding for consistency. Next, review the event details one last time. Ensure that all information is accurate, including date, time, and location. Then, click on Publish to make your event live. Once published, share your event link across social media and other platforms. Monitor registrations through your Eventbrite dashboard. Use this data to keep track of your event's attendance and engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.